If you want to take excellent care of your scalp to promote healthy hair growth and care greatly about the planet and are willing to seek out and invest in companies that are investing in the planet as well, you are going to love Aromatica. Now, I was gifted their trial size scalp treatment kit, and I so wish I had this the past 2 weeks while I was traveling, as I used the hair care products at the places I was staying, and it caused so much damage to my dry, brittle hair that I greatly regret doing that. Now, what makes this kit so amazing is that it has pretty much everything you could want to keep your scalp healthy, your roots healthy, and your hair happy. The only thing this kit doesn't have is a conditioner. Let me go over what you do get. Starting off, you get this wooden paddle brush, perfect little travel brush. I really love the small size of it, and it still does an excellent job. They recommend that you brush your hair before getting in the shower, as well as using this after. You can really feel it on your scalp. It has harder bristles, which is really nice, kind of a little massage in itself. And then you have the Rosemary Salt Scrub. Now, this product I will definitely be buying the larger size of. I love this so much. It's this really fantastic scrub that has that light smell of rosemary and a strong smell of what I believe is eucalyptus. It's very invigorating. It feels so nice. And all you do is add this to your damp hair and work it in with your fingertips. And afterwards, my scalp felt so refreshed. This is truly a treat. I followed this up with their scalp scaling shampoo. This suds up beautifully. It has a really nice rosemary smell. And again, it's not about the smell as much as it does actually have rosemary in it, which is a powerful natural ingredient for healthy hair and healthy scalps. So this is really nice, a great treat. And finally, you have your root enhancer. This you can add to your damp hair or your dry hair, and you really do just spray it in and then work it in, and it has the same smell as the scalp scrub. So it has the rosemary and the eucalyptus, and it just feels amazing. And now that I added that to my head, this whole part just feels almost minty, refreshing. It's a very nice feeling. And one thing I have found with focusing on hair growth and hair strength is often my scalp will get itchy because I'm adding so many different products to my hair and I'm trying to wait between washes. And this really focuses on that, any scalp buildup, any dandruff, any itching, and just make sure that your roots are really healthy and not overwhelmed with any buildup on your scalp. Now, Aromatica is focused on full circle sustainability. All of these products are made with prior used plastic, and they do have a really nice system for making sure these go back into the system. And I don't know about these trial ones in particular, but they're larger containers. They actually have refills for. They have full solar panels on their production facilities, and they use electric vehicles. So they try to reduce their impact on the planet as much as possible. And the ingredients in these are very clean, all natural, fantastic ingredients for you, and they're well sourced for the planet. So whether you start with this trial set or just dive in with one of the full-size bottles of these incredible products, I don't think you can go wrong with Aromatica. You are going to love these.